Welcome to Lifestyle by Days. Once again, it's time to make money by saving money. Today's video is all about how to make a custom or personalized house number sign or house address. You always want to begin by sketching down the design for your house number sign. You want to sketch down the shape or form in which you want your house number design to look like, which is exactly what I'm doing here. You always also want to decide whether you are going to do your design horizontally or vertically. Depending on where in the front of your house you are going to put your sign. Now, if my design is transferred onto a rectangular board, I would have to actually cut out all the portions that I am currently shading or cross hashing. I am making my design horizontal because I intend to place it at the top of my door. You will surely need some tools and materials to accomplish this job. You will need your wooden base or board, a saw, hammer, nails, chisel, paint, brush, sandpaper, screw, tape, and your numbers. With my design transferred onto a piece of rectangular wooden board, I have begun sawing and cutting out all the unwanted portions until I will achieve exactly what I have designed or drawn for my custom house number sign. I am using a hand saw, but if you have a powered saw, that should make your life way easier. But as usual, this is a DIY. A lot of the times, most pros or professionals, they do invest a lot of money into complex tools, which most of everyday dads and moms, bachelors and bachelorettes engaging in DIYs normally don't have. Nevertheless, we've always got alternatives to have it all accomplished. biggest part of this whole project is actually getting your baseboard for your NAM base, cut or shape into the design you have actually put down. In other ways, cut into the design you desired. Once this is accomplished, the rest of the process should be straight up, easy and quick. Using the handsaw is also a good form of exercise for your hands and your upper shoulders. As you can see now, my base or board for my number design is all sawed, cut out and chiseled out. It has fully taken shape at this point. And like I said before, this is more or less the hardest part of the entire process. I am currently sanding down all the edges using different grades of sandpaper, starting from the more coarse and then moving to the more fine or refined sandpaper, so as to give the board a smooth and professional touch. As a father, you always have your kids around you, no matter what you are doing, and they will always keep you company. Yeah, your kids will always keep you company, chipping in their questions here and there, just to satisfy their curiosity. After this, the next stage is to actually paint our board. our choice of color. Once it's all sanded down and the border surface is also sanded down to make sure it's smooth, then we'll move to the next stage where the board has to be painted. Which is pretty easy. So far so good. Everything is taking shape as desired and as planned. So here we go. Everything exactly what we sketched or drawn has been now carved and shaped. Now after our board is painted and it's dry, we started making some border designs. For some reasons, my kids have always had so much love for the arts and creativity. The level of joy they have whilst being engaged in art and creativity is just above and beyond measurement. The younger you train them, the better they'll grow into responsible adults, full of skills to face life and to face the future and to always save money. Now after this, we went ahead and put a touch of gold metallic color along the borders we have created on the board.
Good job. Good job. You both clap for yourself.
Here they go, celebrating their success. Such a beautiful moment to have with your kids.
Yeah, you did good, right?
Now the next thing is to actually get your numbers, which normally comes with a screw. I actually got mine from Home Depot, but you can always get yours from online or other stores. Now the next thing we did was to just screw our numbers onto the board that we have designed, and ta-da! Our house number design is up and running. Beautiful, custom, personalized, unique. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe for more videos like this one. See ya.